Lord have mercy.
We had another cold, rainy May day, so I had these 2 bananas that really needed to be used up, didn't want to make banana bread, and then I found this old recipe that I've had forever and have never made. It's banana peanut butter cookies. I don't remember where I ripped it off of, but I thought I'd give it a try. I'll put it down in the comments below so you can see it. But it uses all of the regular suspects, um, peanut butter, eggs, flour, some brown sugar. I had all this stuff on hand, so I thought, let's give it a go. Oven's supposed to be at 375. I did adjust it later because I always use convection, and I put it at 350. So here I have the butter and the brown sugar. I almost had a moment of panic here because I had got out my peanut butter jar and there was maybe, I don't know, half of what I needed in that jar, and part of the recipe is having peanut butter in it, so you want it to taste like it. So I sent Sal downstairs to look for peanut butter, and he couldn't find any, and then I went down there and I looked and looked and looked, and finally I found another jar of peanut butter. Thank goodness. I don't think I followed the exact process for this. I think the bananas were actually supposed to go in with the butter and sugar earlier. I don't know. I don't think it really made a difference. I got to use up my 2 bananas and I'm happy. So here I'm just going to blend this all up, and then I'm going to add the flour. And I added the flour in increments. I don't think you necessarily had to do that. As I was adding the flour, I think if I made these again, I was thinking I would maybe do like half oat flour, or substitute some of the flour for oatmeal just for like a heartier cookie, because I feel like the cookies really kind of turned out like little, I don't know, cookie muffins. Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. If you make these, you'll understand what I'm talking about, which is perfectly fine. But I felt like they just needed a little bit more something, a little bit more oomph to them, a little heaviness maybe. But then other people would say no. Sometimes my family says I need to stop with the oatmeals or stop with putting that stuff in. But so, like I said, you don't have to do this flour exactly like I did by doing increments. You could probably just dump it all in there. And then as I'm mixing it up and I'm thinking about the oatmeal, then I started thinking, maybe I should add some chocolate chips into here. Should I put chocolate chips in these? What? Peanut butter banana cookies? Yeah, should I put chocolate chips in or no? Yes or no? What? Should I put chocolate chips in them? Yeah, oh. You know when you make that first batch of cookies and you don't want to put them too close because you don't know if they're going to spread? This was not a very, this did not spread very much. They pretty much maintained the shape that I dropped them in, except for, expanded just a little bit. So I was able to get more cookies on the sheet after this first test batch went through. And like I said, they were almost like little muffins. Like you can take like a muffin batter and just make it into little piles like this, like cookies. You want another cookie?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I have.
Huh?
I have.
Is it hot? Is it warm?
No, it's not warm actually.
Is it tasty?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
It's bananas.
Does it bananas? Does it have chocolate in it? I can't tell.
Right there.
Yeah, right there too.
Yeah.
You have some on your face. How many cookies did you have?
3 cookies.
3?
Yeah.
Isn't that number 2?
I call with sugar and mama too.
Can I see your cookie? How many chocolate chips do you have in there?
3 chocolate chip.
You see 3?
Yeah.
Yum, yum. I'm glad you like the cookies. Are they good for your belly?
I will look at Lucy.
There, now you can see yourself. See, you have chocolate on your face. Is that silly?
Oh.
Yeah. We gotta get a napkin. I don't want the chocolate. I'm not ready for chocolate. Not yet. Alright, say see you later.
See you later.
Nucci approved. Okay, so we'll go ahead and give these a try. If you'd like, I will put the recipe down below. They've been kind of a breakfast cookie now for the last couple of days. The inside's kind of, I don't know, they're just kind of more hearty, I guess, than a regular cookie. Alright, peace be with you.